Your new Toyota has some highly advanced safety systems. In this short video, we'll tell you how to use them to give the most enjoyable and relaxing driving experience. First, the pre-collision system, which is always active unless switched off. It uses a sensor and front camera to detect objects in front of your Toyota. When the system calculates that a collision is imminent, it sounds a warning and flashes a message on the multi-information display. If it determines the possibility of a collision is extremely high and no action has been taken by the driver, the brakes are automatically applied. The automatic braking will be cancelled if the accelerator pedal is pushed hard, the brakes are applied, or the driver steers sharply as if avoiding the obstacle. You can turn the system off or adjust the sensitivity using this button here. Next, we will take a look at Lane Departure Alert. This function reads the road markings, alerting the driver when the Yaris seems to be drifting out of lane. If the system recognises the lane markings, both lines in the display will be green. If the car drifts across the markings, the lane line will flash yellow. The system won't warn the driver if the indicators have been activated. You can turn the system off at any time using this button by the driver's right knee. The car will remember your preference next time you drive. Next, we'll tell you about the Adaptive High Beam system. This uses a front-facing camera to assess the light from other vehicles. It then automatically controls the high beam to give the best visibility without dazzling oncoming traffic. First, check the headlight switch is at the on or auto position. To activate or deactivate the Adaptive High Beam system, push this button by the driver's right knee. Then push the left-hand stalk away from you. A light will show on the display to show AHS is active. Now let's look at Road Sign Assist. This helps keep you on the right side of the law by reading specific road signs and warning you if you're breaking the rules. When the camera recognises a sign, it will be shown on the multi-information display here. The system will sound a chime and flash a warning to remind you of the road sign instruction. Should you wish to turn the system off, look for this option in the Settings menu. Finally, we'll look at the Yaris's cruise control. It will maintain the car at a set speed. To activate the system, press this button on the stalk to turn the cruise control on. Then press down to fix the desired speed. You can now adjust it by using the up and down buttons. You can adjust the speed in 5 mph increments by holding on the plus or minus. A symbol will appear on the display to show the system is activated. To cancel the system, simply pull the stalk towards you or just touch the brake pedal. Enjoy the advanced safety features of your Toyota and drive carefully.